Go throw it away? Good boy. Good boy. Oh, is there more? What is that? Throw it away. Throw it away. Good boy. Good boy, Nick. What, more? That's because you throw it on the floor. How are you gonna do it? Yay! Okay, that's good. Yay! Bye.